Hi, I'm Dr. Nandakishore, Managing Director, Live Life Hospitals. By profession, I'm a bariatric surgeon. That is, we perform surgeries for morbid obesity and really overweight people. We came up with a new concept, which is the Live Life Hospitals, which deals with obesity as a holistic way. We not only deal with weight loss, we also deal with multiple modalities that will help weight loss. That could be the nutritional adjustment, could be the psychological counseling, could be the lifestyle modifications. It can be the weight loss procedures such as what we do, bariatric procedures, and also plastic surgery. Along with this, we have a complement of cosmetic dermatology, cosmetic dental, and relaxation therapy. We also provide complete diagnostic and laboratory services. The idea behind this concept is that we wanted to create a center that would offer a complete 360-degree approach and a totally, truly complete care for excess weight and obesity and the conditions that come because of obesity. We now know that there are many conditions that come because of obesity. To state a few, diabetes, blood pressure, high cholesterol, which can lead to strokes, heart attacks, multiple cancers, arthritis, gout, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and gallstones, and multiple other conditions. So to tackle all these things, we took the obesity, which is the mother cause of all these conditions, as the central concept, and all the conditions that come because of obesity, we started managing them individually. So if a person comes with obesity associated with diabetes, blood pressure, other conditions, we have specialists that deal with all these things. There are endocrinologists. If you have high cholesterol with heart disease, we have cardiologists. If you have joint issues because of obesity, we have orthopedic surgeons. We have pain management specialists, back pain, knee pain, acute, new onset pain or chronic pain, which has been there for such a long time. All these things can be controlled with pain management. A lot of people who are undergoing this weight loss by different methods and in the corporate sector, they have a lot of psychological issues with this. To address these psychological issues, we have the counseling, the stress management, and organizational psychology. All these things are available under one roof. We also offer relaxation therapy. See, all these things complement one another to provide a total and complete solution to a person's health condition that can occur because of obesity. Along with these, we have the cosmetic dermatology and the cosmetic dental, which also complement not only the medical nature of it, but also the aesthetic nature of the whole weight loss process. This is the concept, and what we stand for is compassionate care and quality. The only constant we assure, or the constant we always assure, is the change for the better. Our hospital comprises of faculty from overseas with vast training abroad. For example, myself, I've been in the United States for the last 15 years. Most of my training and my practice has been over there for the last 15 years. Having taken care of thousands of patients in this field, we have decided this is time to come back home and provide the same high-end services here. The reason for that is, along with the outsourced jobs in the IT sector, we also have obesity and other conditions that are coming because of it, the lifestyle diseases. To address these things, you need specialized centers. While you have centers to deal with diabetes, you have centers to deal with orthopedics, you have centers to deal with heart disease, but the main reason for all these conditions, which is obesity, that is what we wanted to tackle. And currently, obesity is not being recognized as a disease.